Hello guys! So for this video ay pag-uusapan natin ulit ang derivative of exponential and logarithmic function. So we have here an example, v of t is equal to t raised to 4 times e to the t all over ln t. So as you can see na quotient pa rin po siya. But then meron po tayong product dito. So ang formula po na magagamit natin dito is una yung quotient rule. Ano yung quotient rule? V du minus u derivative of v all over v squared. At saka yung product rule. So again, this is our quotient rule. Tapos yung product rule. Ano yung product rule? We have u times the derivative of v plus v times the derivative of u, as well as the exponential function. Derivative of exponential function, the derivative of e to the u is equal to e to the u du, at saka yung derivative po ng logarithmic function na 1 over derivative of ln u, this is equal to 1 over u times the derivative of u. So we will use all these formulas, okay, para ma-solve po natin yung ating example. So first ay yung quotient. So we will identify which is our u and which is our v. So this is our u, of course, and this is our v. So isusulat na po natin siya. So v prime t, okay, is equal to, so the first formula, itong ating quotient rule, v, so copy natin si v, ln t, times the derivative of our u, which is si t to the fourth, times e to the t, minus u, so copy natin si u, ayan, and then times the derivative of your v, which is si ln t, all over, okay, v squared, which is si ln t squared. So ngayon po, we will take na po the derivative of this one. So copy lang po muna natin itong v prime t, ln t, copy lang natin. Tapos the derivative of this one, okay, ang derivative po nito ay gagamitan natin ng product rule. Ito yon, u times the derivative of v plus v times the derivative of u. So, based on that, u po natin ito, v natin yan. So, we will write it this way. Okay, so that's u t to the fourth times the derivative of your v, which is c e to the t, okay, plus e to the t times the derivative of your u, which is c t to the fourth. Yan siya. Tapos, copy lang natin ito, minus t to the fourth times e to the t. Tapos ito, the derivative of ln t is ito siya, ln u. So our u here is t. So, ang magiging answer niya is 1 over u du, which is dito, kasi t yung u natin, so 1 over t dt. Okay? Tapos, of course, yung ating denominator, copy lang natin, ln t squared. So, ngayon, isi-simplify na natin siya. So, we will take the derivative of e to the t. Kaya ano bang derivative ng e to the t? Ito yon, e to the u is e to the u du. So, kung e to the t, that will be e to the t dt. So, lalagay ko dito, no? This one is e to the t dt. Tapos, ito naman, itong derivative ng t to the fourth is, okay, 4 times t raised to 3. Okay, tapos ito, nakuha na the derivative of dt is 1 po. Same dito, the derivative of nito is 1 lang din. So, change ko yung color, ay 1 lang din yan siya. So, if we will rewrite it, so that's v prime of t, copy natin si ln t, tapos t to the fourth, okay, ito, tapos ang derivative again of e to the t is e to the t dt, which is the derivative of dt is 1. So 1 times e to the t is still e to the t. Plus, copy natin itong isang e to the t. Tapos, the derivative of t to the fourth is ito, 4 times t raised to 3. So, copy lang din natin. Okay. Tapos, this one. So, that's t to the fourth, e to the t raised to 1, multiplied by 1 over t, tapos yung ating denominator. Okay? So, ngayon, isi-simplify lang po natin siya. So, pagka-simplify natin, itong is CLNT, i-distribute po muna natin siya dyan sa loob. So, that will become t to the fourth, et, lnt. Bale, i-multiply po natin ito dito. Okay, then, ito ulit, multiply natin dito. So, plus 4t cube, yan, copy lang natin, e to the t, tapos si lnt. Tapos ito, multiply natin si 1 over t dito sa loob. So, of course, pag i-multiply natin yan, magiging, ganito yung mukha niyan. E to the fourth, et over t. So, may t dito, may t. So, ito, makancel, magiging 3 na lang siya. So, yun yung ilalagay natin dyan sa baba. That is minus t cube, e to the t, tapos lnt squared. So, kung meron pong pwede nating ma-factor, ipa-factor natin siya. So, let's inspect. Dito, meron pong t raised to 4, dito raised to cube, raised to cube. So, ito pwede po natin siyang i-factor. So, we will factor yung may pinakamaliit na exponent. So, factor natin, kunin natin si t raised to 3 kasi raised to 3 dito, raised to 3. Ano pa? We have e to the t here, we have e to the t, we have e to the t, so we can factor e to the t. So, wala na, no? Kasi dito, may lnt dito, merong lnt, pero walang lnt dito. So, we can rewrite it like this. So, as you can see, meron tayong t raised to 3 e to t. Tapos, ano na lang po yung natira dito? So, parang t to the fourth divided by t raised to 3 is, ano na lang siya, t na lang. Okay? Tapos, may e to the t divided by e to the t is 1. Tapos, si lnt. Okay? Dito naman, meron na tayong t cube, meron dito sa labas. So, 4 copy, e to the t, meron din dyan sa labas. So, si 4 lnt na lang yung matira. Tapos, dito, as you can see, meron po yan lahat sa labas. So, ilagyan lang po natin yan ng 1. Make sure po na if magfa-factor po kayo, kung ibabalik nating multiply itong na-factor natin, yan, i-multiply natin dito, dito, at saka dito, lalabas pa rin po ito. Okay? So, dapat, kung ibabalik natin yung na-factor natin, ang kalalabasan is itong nasa taas. So, that you will know na yun pong na-factor natin or finactor po natin ay tama po siya. Okay? So, yun, para makita natin na tama talaga yung na-factor natin. Of course, wag nating kalimutan yung ating denominator. So, I'll write the denominator, which is si lnt squared. Okay? So, pwede na po yan as your answer, or you can even further simplify the answer like this. T cube, et. Sa loob, merong lnt, lnt. So, we can factor lnt here. Tapos, t plus 4 minus 1. So, pwede pong ganito. Okay? Ayan. So, meron na po tayong answer.